Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to trade like a professional? Yes, but did not know how to start? Maybe you don't have our every day to analyze the market, then exactly where copy trading come in, and today let's talk about CatchNex. This is the platform where you can easily start trading. If you are beginner or pro, you can easily get on the world best earning platform. Yes, CatchNex is here with such elite member, and you can also analyze here. This is the experience that make any person to come on it. Link in video description. You can easily join because this is recognized on global level with such a big industry, and there is also transparency, maximum leverage, and you can also get 50, like 500 plus tradable asset too. So this can also be helpful. CatchNex is here to understand, to give you an epic journey. You can easily start whenever you want. Meet with the elite members as they are copy trader. CatchNex is a premium copy trading platform that allow you to follow verified institutional trader instead of making every trading decision yourself. You can copy the steadily of experience in just one click, and the goal is simple: making professional trading more accessible for everyone. That's why this platform is here, the premium copy trading platform where audit has been done with such a progressive performance, as well as there is also many other details like lightning fast execution and high level 24/7 support. So finally you can browse through a list of verified trader too. This is about the clarity. You can meet with the AI trading assistant that has the name Nexa on this platform that can help you. It's mean you are going to get AI assistant for copy steadity enterprise grade security that is also going to give in you easiness and platform combine professional trading technology with clean easy to use interface and transparency. It's mean every trader can review the statistics before deciding who to follow. So this can be helpful as there is also one platform for all major market. Even this is also the platform that has got 4.9 star rating. It's mean this is also number one and best with base 23 plus verified reviews like on Trustpilot. So you can easily get actually this platform where you are going to start a new journey, and this is about top verified trader already join it, and you are also here. Remember, while copy trading can also help to learn from experienced trader, as you are going to get some up to 40% are for lifetime. This is about the partner program when you are going to invite your friends, become member on it. Your first month supercharge as offer has been shared here as a welcome bonus. So start your new epic journey with that. Your portfolio you are going to manage. You can also download their app from App Store as well as Google Play Store as coming soon. But very soon this will be available. Start right now on the app. For that you can also come here to click on the get started. For the account creation, that is very simple. You have to put your first of all full name, your email address, as well as your password that you can also write here of 6 to 8 digit, your phone number to verify, as well as your country in which you are living. This is also optional after accept the terms and condition, and then you have to click on the OK. Once you create your account successfully on the CatchNex, you can easily explore all the options like your account that is going here. You can open your account, as well as there you can also go for deposit option. If you want to check your wallet option here, if you want to continue in it and you want to start, then here is also next option, choose payment method, as there are different number of your leverage you can select. And then here I am going to choose USDC, put the number of amount you want to recharge, put the comment, and then you have to get your deposit address. You can now understand here is QR code and address. In this way you can also deposit and you can also take the withdrawal, everything on you can manage in one platform. If you want to open the account, for that you can easily click on it, and then here is your trading account that you're going to open. Like I am going to click on it, Once it will be open, here I am going to select with the account type like Prime, ECN, CAT, USD. You can easily select one of them. Here is the leverage, and now we have to accept the terms and condition. Click on the open and it will be confirmed. After deposit, you can also choose your copy trader, as well as there is all the data have been mentioned according to their PNL and what they have progress in their profile. Everything is here. You can analyze the crypto market. Yes, this is also possible on the CatchNex. When you come in the crypto market, there are also crypto, forex, stock, indices, commodities. You can easily choose, and you can also get analysis of it. And this is not just yet. If you want to start your trading, you can easily click on the open terminal, and then interface will be like this, where you can analyze chart details about the pair you have selected. There are also many other one, like this is about the euro USD, and you can choose your favorite one, and then you can start the trading. And this is also the account, the balance of which is going to be shown. PNL will be shown also here, and you can also start your trading too. Like here is also your portfolio, what you have already started in real account you are going to join. So this is something that is here. So in this way, you can analyze. If you want to ask Nexa for your help, then you can also go and chat with it. This is AI assistance is going to help you, and you can ask anything about your copy trading. If you want to come and you want to participate into their platform like partner program, that is also another chance for you. For that, you can apply for it and become their member. If you are going to get the link on it and share, you can also get some salary. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can ask in our combo. See you next week. Till then, take care and enjoy your new epic journey here on this platform.